Sit nicely. What is hamster? Hamster are small furry animals with short tails. There are 16 different types of wild hamster in the world. They live in the Middle East and other parts of Europe and Asia. The largest is as big as a small rabbit, while the smallest fit into the palm of your hand. Only a few types of hamster can be kept as pet. Do you understand? Do you understand? Hamster are mammals. All hamster are part of a big group of animals called mammals. The mother hamster has babies that she feeds and looks after until they are able to take care of themselves. Are you done? Wild animals. Wild hamster in the world. Hamster. Hamster in the world. Then in the world, period. Then you can write hamster are mammals too. You know what is mammals?
No, I want to write something else.
Oh, and then continue the other one.